Today we're unboxing the TC Bros Pro Series Gold mid controls. They're the perfect solution if you're trying to get better ergonomics on your M8 Softail, maybe make the performance look a little better. Let's take a deeper look. In the kit, we've got the gold anodized mid controls mounting brackets. We've got all the mounting hardware you would need, instructions, plus great support from TC Bros themselves if you need any extra help. And the best part is this is all made right here in the USA. These mid controls relocate your pegs inward and rearward compared to the OEM mid or forward controls. These mid controls are engineered for all 2018 and up Softails. You're just gonna need to make sure that you get an aftermarket exhaust because these are not going to work with OEM HD exhaust. So look into Bassani, S&S Cycle, Vance Hines 2-in-1 exhaust. Those are gonna work perfect for these mid controls and give you an even cooler performance look. CNC-machined, the gold anodized finish gives your bike that custom shine while resisting corrosion. There's also other finishes available if you want in black or raw. Engineered for all 2018 and up M8 Softails, Street Bob, Lowrider, Fat Bob, Heritage Classic, Breakout, Deluxe, Sport Glide, just choose your exhaust, fitment. So if you want to upgrade the custom look of your ride, give it a much better lean angle, and just a premium fitment product, look no further than TC Bros, especially these mid controls. Best part they're in stock right now at DennisKirk.com, so head on over, get them in your shopping cart before 6 p.m. Central. We'll get them out the door the same day.